This video explains how to use the Unpivot step in the new data preparation experience to transform columns into rows and convert wide data into long data. You start with a data set where different metrics exist as separate columns. This form of wide structure makes it difficult to compare metrics using a single measure. The Unpivot structure makes it easier to analyze and visualize different metrics side by side. Start by adding an Unpivot step to the workflow. In the Unpivot configuration, select the columns you will be converting into rows. In this example, you will select the columns that represent real visits and fake visits. These are currently labeled num real visits and num fake visits. Seach. Under Output column row value, change to your desired output. In the section Name Output columns, there are columns for both headers and values. Under the column for Unpivoted column headers, input your desired header. We will be using Content Visit Type. Then, under the column for Unpivoted column values, input your desired values. We will be using Content Visit Count. Review the preview panel to verify that the output now shows two separate columns. Next, you can add a filter step after the Unpivot step. Configure the filter so the preview includes both desired metrics. Select Filter column, then select Content Object ID. Under Comparison, select Equals. Enter a value. Check the preview panel to confirm that your metrics are both present in the output. This structure makes it easier to analyze and visualize different metrics side by side. Now you know how to use the Unpivot step in the new data preparation experience to convert columns into rows, transforming wide data into long data. Thank you for watching.